Hello student, we learn about in the chapter motion in plane what is meant by relative velocity. Consider two trains are traveled on a parallel track. A train traveled and B train traveled along in the path along in their parallel track. A train and B train both move in same direction. Train A and its passenger is sitting in the train A and it observes the speed of the second train when both trains are moving in the same direction. Therefore, A train and B trains, their difference in between them, the velocities, with respect to along the earth, therefore the difference in velocities is known as relative velocity. जर एक दोन ट्रेन सेम डायरेक्शनने जात आहे, ए ट्रेन मध्ये बसलेला पॅसेंजर बी ट्रेनचा स्पीड ऑब्झर्व करतोय, तर त्याला बी ट्रेन ही फास्ट मूव्ह होते असं वाटतं आणि ज्यावेळी बी ट्रेन मधला पॅसेंजर ए ट्रेनला ऑब्झर्व करतो त्यावेळी ती ट्रेन फास्ट मूव्ह होते असं त्याला ज्यावेळी जाणवतं आणि देन देअर डिफरन्स बट इट्स ॲक्च्युअल स्पीड इज व्हेरी लो. Therefore, that difference in velocities is known as relative velocity. Relative velocity of object A with respect to object B as the difference between their velocities. That is VAB means velocity of A with respect to B. Velocity of A with respect to B, then VA minus VB. Velocity of A object minus velocity of B object. That VAB term is known as relative velocity. Similarly, velocity of B with respect to A, then VBA. Relative velocity of particle B of object B with respect to A is equal to VB minus VA is known as relative velocity in between the object A and B. We take an example of that topic, relative velocity. An aeroplane A is traveling in a straight line with a velocity of 300 km per hour. Velocity of A, VA, VB, VC is the velocity of A, B, C aeroplane with respect to Earth. Another aeroplane B is traveling in opposite direction, means VA is equal to 300 km per hour. VB is moving in opposite direction. One aeroplane is moving in that direction in left to right side, but B aeroplane is moving right to left. Therefore, its velocity is negative. It can be taken as negative. Therefore, VB is equal to minus 350 km per hour with respect to Earth. What is the relative velocity of A with respect to B? Relative velocity of A, VAB. Because of asking that question, what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B? VAB is equal to VA minus V. VA is 300 minus VB is minus 350. Because of that, VB is already negative, minus minus plus, therefore 300 plus 350 is equal to 650 kilometer per hour. 650 kilometer per hour. What should be the velocity of aeroplane? What should be the velocity of aeroplane C? Means VC. Moving parallel to A, VCA. Velocity of aeroplane C moving with parallel to A relative to the earth if it has relative velocity VCA. What should be the velocity of aeroplane C? Means VC will be asked in that question. VC is question mark. And relative velocity of C with respect to A means 100 kilometer per hour. VCA is equal to 100 kilometer per hour. Then find VC. But relative velocity VCA is equal to VC minus VA. VCA is equal to VC minus VA. Therefore, VC is equal to VCA plus VA. That term is transferred in that side. Therefore, VC is equal to VCA plus VA. But velocity of A aeroplane is 300 km per hour. Means VCA is equal to 100 plus 300 is equal to 400 kilometer per hour. That is the velocity of C aeroplane. Therefore, in that example, we study about relative velocity. Both aeroplanes are moving along the earth. Therefore, velocity is A, B, C of aeroplane with respect to earth. Therefore, A, B, C both are moving in, but A and C are moving in the same direction, but B is moving in opposite direction. Hence, velocity of these can be taken as negative. Therefore, find out the relative velocities and velocity of aeroplane C in that.